Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show how to fix blocks not showing up in AutoCAD drawing. If you've ever inserted a block and it seemed to disappear, even though AutoCAD says it was inserted successfully, you're not alone. This is usually caused by layer, scale, or placement issues. Today, I'll show you how to quickly find and fix the problem. Let's get started. Open AutoCAD and the drawing where your blocks are missing. The very first and easiest thing we need to check is your layer visibility. Type Layer into the command line and press Enter to open the Layer Properties Manager. Look through your list of layers, specifically focusing on the one you are trying to insert the block onto. Check the Turn Layer On column, which looks like a light bulb, and the Freeze column, which looks like a sun or snowflake. If the light bulb is dark or the sun is a snowflake, your block is actually there, it's just invisible. Click them to turn the layer back on and thaw it. If your layers are completely fine, the next culprit is often a massive scaling issue. Sometimes a block is drawn in millimeters, but your current project is set to feet or inches. This causes the block to insert so tiny that it looks like a single invisible pixel, or so large that it swallows your entire screen. To fix this, type Units into the command line and press Enter. Check your insertion scale insertion units to see what your drawing is using. Then type Insert to open the block's palette. Right-click the block you want and look at its properties to ensure the scale factors are set to 1 and match your project's unit system. Another common reason blocks go missing is because of a mismatched base point. If the person who created the block set the base point miles away from the actual line work, the block will insert way out in the middle of nowhere when you click on your screen. To find a runaway block, type QSelect into the command line and press Enter. In the Quick Select dialog box, set the object type to Block Reference, choose Select All as the operator, and click OK. AutoCAD will highlight every instance of that block in your drawing. Look at your Properties panel to see its X and Y coordinates, or type Zoom and then E for Extents to bring everything into view. If the block is still nowhere to be found, it might be corrupted within the drawing's database. We can fix this by forcing AutoCAD to redefine the block. Open your block's palette, locate the missing block, right-click it, and select Redefine. This forces the software to reload the block geometry from scratch and overlay it correctly onto your screen. Once you've unfroze your layers, corrected your units, or repositioned the base point, try inserting the block one more time. It should now appear cleanly, sharply, and at the perfect scale right at the tip of your cursor. And that's how you fix blocks not showing up in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any drafting solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.